On this day, we decided to go and chase waterfalls. We are at Bridal Falls. It is by the Central Cascades. It is about 4 miles round trip and only 1,000 feet of elevation gain. It was a beautiful sunny day. We actually really enjoyed this trail. It's good enough for kids. Of course, just keep an eye on those kids because they can fall, and just be careful with them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you on the trails. You are required to use the Northwest Forest Pass, and just to give you heads up, you want to get to this trail early in the morning because it becomes really busy on the weekends. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the trails.